Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 102 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into 1,600 subscriber giveaway. First off, I just need to say that I'm sorry. And I totally dropped the ball. See, I realized that I was supposed to come out with a silver subscriber giveaway every 500 subscribers. Well, and as you know it, 500 subscribers would have been at 1,500 subscribers. So it's still, I mean, better late than never. But you did hear that right. I will be giving away some silver. Actually, I will be giving away 1 ounce of silver on this video. Well, it'll be in a week when I announce the winner. And I know it's like the last video I came out with was thanking you as well. However, maybe the last video was more about like personal accomplishments and not so much about, you see, the interesting thing on YouTube is the only thing that I can really control is what goes in the actual video and what goes in the description and title and that kind of thing. I can't control how many views each video gets or how many subscribers the channel also gets. So this one's about you. At episode 100 of season number 1, I had 311 subscribers. The last time I did a giveaway, I had 1,012 subscribers and just about to breach 150,000 views. But as of right now, I sit at 1,604 subscribers. What can I say? The family is growing really fast. It's just crazy. The channel's about to blow past 250,000 views total, and in 16 more videos, I will eclipse 600 total uploads onto my channel. I mean, I put out the content, but I'm so thankful for the support that you guys supply as subscribers. So I just wanted to say, you know, thank you. And like I was saying before, I have committed to giving out 1 ounce of silver at every 500 subscribers. And that day has come and passed. But I will. Well, better late than never. So here it goes. So how to enter is basically, you'll need to answer the question of the day in the comment section down below. The question of the day will be at the very end of the episode or close to the end of the episode. But if you're looking for like special brownie points, which actually mean nothing, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, shared the video, and then also if you're a subscriber but you don't have post notifications on, swing by and hit that bell button. Here is the question of the day. And this one actually kind of gets me kind of wondering because I don't really have an answer for it either. What's better, broken than whole? So I guess like what's better, you know, in pieces than all put together or something like that. Anyways, go ahead and get busy, and in a week from now I will announce the winner of the silver 1 ounce. Boom! But like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business ethics coaching, post those questions down below. Do not forget to subscribe up here and check out my Stash recap March edition. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.